Okay, the topic that we're going to discuss is all about the division of polynomials using the long division and synthetic division. So, ito ata yung na-encounter nyo na during your grade 7. Na-introduce na to sa inyo during your grade 7. So, we'll elaborate this time. So, let's have first the long division of polynomial. Natingin natin yung ating lesson. So, in the division of polynomial using the long division method, para mag-divide ka dito ng gagamit ka ngayon ng division symbol. So, example natin, you will have 6x squared plus 7x minus 20 divided by 2x plus 5. Okay, so, before we are going to divide, kailangan muna natin i-check yung kanyang, kanyang series of exponents. So, that's the first thing. So, nag-start siya sa 2. Dapat na susunod sa kanya is 1 tapos constant. So, meron ka dito 1 and the constant. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. So, lagi nyo tatandaan is kailangan kompleto yung series niya. Kung nagsimula siya sa 2, dapat susunod sa kanya ay 1. Example natin ay 3, x to the 3. Dapat na susunod sa kanya is x squared, tapos x, tapos ay constant. Yan po yan. Laging kompleto dapat yung series. Kung hindi siya magiging kompleto, ay hindi ko kompletohin natin. Let's divide this. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. Tapos, divided by, parang tayo dito ng 2x plus 5. Ganyan siya pag-divide. So, yung first term natin, which is the 6x squared, itong 6x squared na to, i-divide natin siya kay 2x. So, pag na-divide tayo, ang rules dito is we have to subtract the exponent. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng 6x squared divided by 2x. Yan. So, divide natin yung constant. Kanan tayo dito, that's constant, the numerical coefficient. So, 6 divided by 2, magkakaroon ka dito ng 3. Tapos, x squared, dito na tayo, x squared and x, we will have x na lang. Kasi, karoon ka dito ng 2 minus invisible 1. So, 2 minus 1. So, therefore, you will have 3x. Talagay mo yung answer dyan sa tapat ng exponent na may 1. So, this will be 3x. Dito siya ilalagay. Sa tapat ng 7. 7x. Then, after that, i-multiply mo ngayon siya dito at saka dito. Yan. Yung sagot na 3x, multiply mo siya dun sa divisor. So, 3x times 2x, kapag multiplication, nag-add naman tayo ng exponent. So, meron tayo ng 3 times 2, that will be 6x, then squared. So, positive siya, change the sign, the opposite sign. So, that's why it is negative. Tapos, 3 times 5, that will be 15. Tapos, x. Then, positive, magiging negative. The opposite sign. Then, let's add it. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng, cancel natin yung negative, yung positive 6x squared at saka yung negative 6x squared kasi we are performing the addition. So, they are not the same sign. So, cancel out. Yeah. Then, 7 plus negative 15. What is 7 plus negative 15? Anyone? Yes, Anton.
Negative 8x po.
So, magkakaroon ka ng negative 8x as the answer of 7 x plus negative 15x, that is negative 8x. Kasi 8 plus 7 ay 15. Okay. Then, bring down. negative 20. Kasi wala naman tayong ginawa sa kanila. That's why boom. Then, next is, divide natin yung 8x, yung sagot natin doon ulit sa 2x. So, gano'n tayo dito ng negative 8x divided by 2x. This will be equal to negative 8 divided by 2. By 2, this will be negative 4. Tapos, cancel na yung x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 4 dito as the answer. Then, multiply natin itong 4 doon sa 2 at yung 4 doon sa 5. Ayan. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng negative 4 times positive 2x. Nagkakaroon tayo ng negative 8x. Pero, opposite sign, magiging positive 8x siya. Then, negative 4, then positive 5, that is negative 20. Then, change the sign. That's positive 20. So, plus. So, again, you can have negative 4 times positive 2x, that is negative 8x. Then, change the sign. That's positive 8x. Then, negative 4 times positive 5 is negative 20. Change the sign. Magiging positive. The opposite sign, always. Then, if you're going to add, this will be cancel out. Cancel to, tapos negative, at saka isang positive cancel din. So, meron tayong 0 as the remainder. Final answer, if you're going to write, the final answer it will have is 3x minus 4. Yan. So, you can have 3x minus 4 as the final answer. We don't have remainder kasi our answer dun sa baba ay 0. Question, clarification, nakuha po ba? Magtanong kung nalito at ating uulitin. Aling part? Wala naman? Okay, so since wala naman nag-raise ng question, let's have another. We have the 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. This is our next debate. Now, the question first is our series complete in their exponent? Yes or no? Kompleto ba ang ating series of exponent? Nag-start siya sa 3. Kompleto ba siya? Opo. Okay, so nag-start siya sa 3. You can have the 3, 2, and the 1. Ito yung tinatawag natin x cubed, x squared, tapos x, tapos constant. Kasi may invisible 1 siya dito. Ito yun. Okay, bunayin na lang natin. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng divide natin to dito. Again, 2x cubed divided by x. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng 2x cubed divided by x. Since wala namang invisible 1 yun nandito sa baba natin, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng 2. Then, dito, ito yung ating i-divide, you will have x squared. Kasi 3 minus 1 ay 2. So, lagay natin siya sa tapat ng 3. Kasi siya ay x squared. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 2x squared. Multiply natin to dito. So, you can have 2x squared times x. That is positive 2x cubed. The opposite sign, negative 2x cubed. Then, yan. 2x squared and 2. So, magkakaroon ka ng 2x squared times 2. That will be 4. So, 4x squared. What will be the sign? Negative, positive. Yaman?
Negative po.
Okay, so this is negative, the opposite sign. Then, let's add it. So, magkakaroon tayo ng cancellation. Cancel this kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Then, negative 3x squared plus negative 7x. What is the answer? Bien.
And 7x squared.
Okay, so we will have negative 7x squared. Then, ibababa natin ngayon itong mga natira. Bring down. So, plus 4x plus 5. Next is, divide natin ito doon. 7x. Yun yung first term na ngayon. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 7x squared divided by x. So, negative 7 siya. Let's cancel out dito. Magkakaroon tayo ng 7 na lang. So, this will be negative 7x. Yan. Then, multiply rather. Multiply natin to doon. Tsaka dito. So, you can have negative 7x plus negative 7 multiplied by x, or negative 7x multiplied by x. You can have plus negative 7x pero the opposite sign, that is 7x squared. Tapos, negative 7x times 2, this will be 14. The opposite sign is plus 14x. Then add. Oh, we can cancel this kasi magkaiba. Then 4 and 14, this will be 18x. Then bring down 5. So plus 5. Next, divide natin to doon ulit. So this will be 18x divided by x. So this will be cancelled out. So magkakaroon lang tayo ng 18. So this will be plus 18. Extend lang natin siya. Then ganun ulit. Multiply mo siya. Blue, orange. Multiply natin doon. And multiply natin dito. So this will be 18 times x. So negative 18x. That is the opposite sign. Then 18 times 2. What is 18 times 2? This is negative pa rin. Anyone? 18 times 2?
36 po.
Okay, so this will be 36. Then plus. Cancel. Then 18. So, positive 5 plus negative 36. What's the answer?
Negative 31 po.
Negative 31. Okay. So, you can have negative 31 as our remainder. Now, how are you going to write this? Susulat siya ng ganito. Kunin natin itong nasa taas, which is 2x squared minus 7x plus 18. May negative tayo dito. That's why this is negative 31 over yung kanyang divisor, x plus 2. Ayan yung pagsulat. Okay pa? Question? Isa pang example. Oh, wait lang. Check natin. Ayan po. Meron pa RD. Question before we go proceed to the next. Si Alilio, pagod na naman. Kasi walang opka. Naka-opka. Ayan. Si Anisardo, ganun din. Si Mariano. Pang-O pa talaga si Mariano. Okay, so let's have the another. We have the 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 1. Check natin this. Meron pala. Okay, so baka maka-encounter kayo ng explain ko na kung paano the series na meron tayo dito is kompleto. Kunwari meron tayo before we go to the zipper or before we see here. kunwari kulang ka ng series, kunwari meron ka ditong x to the 5, tapos sumunod dyan ay, kunwari 5x squared plus 2x squared plus 3. Yan. Kunwari, ito yung given natin. You can have 5x to the 5 plus 2x squared plus 3. Hindi kompleto yung series natin kasi nagsimula siya sa 5. Tapos sumunod na ay 2. Tapos sumunod na ay constant. Now, para makompleto siya, kunwari, divide natin sa x to the 3 plus 2. Para makompleto siya, kailangan kakaroon ka dito ng 5x squared plus 0x to the 4. Kasi wala tayong 4, kaya 0 yung kasama niya. Kasi 0 times x to the 4 ay 0 pa din. Tapos, plus 0x cube. Then, susunod na yung 2x squared. Tapos, susunod na yung plus 0x. Then, plus 3. Bago mo siya i-divide kay x cubed plus 2. So, ito yung original given natin, which is the 5x to the 5 plus 2x plus 3. Kung mapansin nyo, after 5, 2 na. So, nawala na yung 4 at saka yung 3. Kaya, talagyan natin na siya ng 0 to x to the 4 plus 0x to the 3 para kompleto lang yung series. Tapos, susunod na yung 2x squared. Tapos, magkakaroon ka ng 0 to the x kasi andito yung invisible 1 tapos constant. Kasi dapat maging x to the 5, x to the 4, x to the 3, x to the 2, tsaka x, then c yung ating series. Gets po ba kung paano lagyan kapag kulang? So, that's how we're going to use kapag kulang yung given natin. Ginagamit lang to kapag kulang ang given. Pero kapag hindi na kulang ang given, hindi huwag lagyan. Okay? Let's have the 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 1. So, yan. 5x squared. So, this will be 5x squared over x. This will be 5. Cancel out. Gano'n ka dito ng 5x na lang. So, this will be 5x. Multiply. And multiply. So, 5x times x. This will be 5x squared. The opposite sign. This is negative. Then, 5x times 1. You can have negative 5x, the opposite side. Then, cancel out. So, add to. So, magkakaroon ng 3x plus negative 5x. This will be negative 2x. And bring down negative 2. Then, divide ulit natin doon. So, negative 2x divided by 2. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng negative 2 at saka positive 2. This is 1. Tapos, x na lang. So, x na lang ba yun? Wait lang. May x pa pala. Bakit? Ay, sabi ko nga may mali. X pala yun. Kaya ako nagtataka. Ayan. So, cancel out yun. So, cancel out to. Negative 2 lang pala yung sagot. Not 1. So, this will be negative 2. Ayan. Tapos, multiply. So, negative 2 times x. Kakaroon tayo ng positive 2x. The negative 2 times 1 is positive 2. So, add. Cancel out. And 0. So, final answer will be 5x minus 2. Question? Clarification? RD, okay na ba?
Okay na po, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So, let's have
pinag-times po yung...
Alin po?
Pinag-times po ba yung 3 saka 2?
3 and 2, asan yun?
Yung 5 po, paano po yun, sir? Yung
Alin
isang 5 po. Yung kabilaan ng 5. Yung 5x squared saka po yung negative 5x.
5x squared tsaka negative 5x. Di ba pinag-add natin yun? Kakaroon tayo ba tayo ng 3x plus negative 5x is negative 2x. Kung 5x squared at saka negative 5x squared, cancel kasi isang positive at saka isang negative. Okay?
So kinancel lang po pala yung plus saka yung negative, sir.
Kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. So, kaya natira is negative 2x na lang. Tapos binaba natin yung negative 2.
Yung pa, sir.
About the synthetic division. So, synthetic division is the shortcut method of the previous topic. So, we have here the given we will have is the 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. So, the same as the rule meron tayo, we have to make sure na kompleto yung series natin. So, nagsimula tayo sa 3, should be followed by 2, then 1, then the constant. So, ito po you can have 3, 2, and 1, and the constant. So, ang gagawin naman dito sa synthetic division is kukunin lang natin yung, check muna natin, you can have the x cubed, x squared, tapos x, tapos c. So, that is the pattern. Now, kukunin natin yung numerical coefficient na kasama ng x cubed. So, the numerical coefficient na kasama ng x cubed ay 2. Lagyan natin lang doon sa tapat niya. The numerical coefficient na kasama ng x squared ay negative 5. Tapos, the numerical coefficient na kasama ng x ay negative 1. Tapos, the constant na meron tayo dito is 3. A question with the 2, negative 5, negative 1, and 3 kung na siya nakuha. So, yun po ay kinukuha lang natin doon sa mga kasama na given natin. Then, divided by, yan. Boy, Ken, happy ka dyan. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng divided by, eto from here, from x plus 3. Equate natin siya sa 0. Tapos, transpose natin yung 3 dito. So, therefore, you can have x is equal to negative 3. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Ito yung ilalagay natin dito, dun sa labas. That is negative 3. So, after dyan, i-bring down natin yung first term natin, which is positive 2. Bring down the positive 2 dun sa pinakauna. Then, multiply natin dito. So, we have to multiply. So, 2 times negative 3, this will be negative 6. Then, add natin. So, I can have negative 5 plus negative 6. The answer will be negative 11. Diba meron tayo negative 11. Multiply natin itong negative 11 kay negative 3. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng positive 33. Yeah. Then, i-add natin ulit. Negative 1 plus negative 30 plus positive 33. Magkakaroon tayo dito ng positive 32. Tapos, i-multiply natin yung 32 doon sa 3, negative 3. So, you can have positive 32 multiplied by negative 3. The answer will be negative 96. Then, i-add natin ulit. So, you can have positive 3 plus negative 96. The answer will be negative 93. So, yun po yan. Then, since meron tayo ditong x cube, mag-subtract tayo ng isa. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x squared. x, c, and this will be the r, the remainder. Then, multiply lang natin siya sa kanya. Isasama lang natin yung coefficient dun sa kanya numerical. The final answer na magkakaroon tayo dito is the 2x squared minus 11x plus 32. Then, since ito ay negative, so minus 93 over yung ating divisor, which is x plus 3. Yan. Yun po yan. Question, kung paano nakuha. Yun po. Pasensya na. Nawala ako sa linya. Okay, so let's have another example. We have x to the 4 plus x cubed minus 20x squared plus 19x plus 15. Again, check natin yung ating series kung kompleto. So, meron tayong 4, 3, 2, 1, and C. So, kompleto naman siya. So, kunin natin yung given natin. So, magkakaroon tayo na x to the 4, x cubed, x squared, x, and the C. Yung kasama ng x cubed, x to the 4 ay 1. Ang kasama ng x cubed ay 1 din. Ang kasama ng x squared ay negative 20. Ang kasama ng x ay 19. Tapos ang constant natin ay 15. Then divided by from here, magkakaroon tayo ng x minus 3 is equal to 0. Transpose. So therefore, x is equal to 3. Yan. So ito yung lalagay natin dito. Yan. Bring down 1. Multiply. So magkakaroon tayo dito na 1 times negative 3, 1 times positive 3 ay 3. Then add 1 plus 3 ay 4. Then 4 times 3 again, this will be 12. Negative 20 plus 12, what will be the answer?
Negative 8 po.
Carlo. Okay, so you can have negative 8. Tapos multiply ulit natin yan. Negative 8 multiply dun kay positive 3. This will be negative 24. Tama? 8 times 3 ay 24. Then add ulit natin. 19 plus negative 24. What's the answer? Negative? Yes, klaro.
Minus 5 po.
This will be negative. Okay, negative 5. Mas negative 5, multiply ulit natin doon sa 3. So this will be positive, negative 15 rather. So negative 15. Then 15 plus negative 15, this will be 0. So x to the 4 to, subtract tayo ng isa, karoon tayo dito ng x cubed, x squared, x, c, and r. So, 1, ang kasama ng x cubed ay 1, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng x cubed. Ang kasama ng x squared ay 4, so plus 4x squared. So, ang kasama ng x ay negative 8, so negative 8x. Tapos, minus 5. Wala tayong remainder kasi 0 yung hulihan. So, wala tayong i-add, wala tayong ma-minus. Question? Nakuha po ba? Ako naka-off ka. Nag-o-off. Okay, before let's substitute work, let's have this. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x to the 4. May shortcut po ba yun? Yes po. Yes, Jella. Shortcut na ito. So, again, we have x to the 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 3. If you will try, yung kanina example natin, yung pinakauna sa long division, tsaka yung pangalawa, tsaka pangatlo, kapag i-divide nyo using the synthetic division, you will able to get the same answer. Kasi parehas, the shortcut method of the long division is the synthetic lang. So, the question here is our series complete? So, hindi po siya. Ano nawawala?
X squared.
Okay, so x squared. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x squared. This will be x to the 4, x cubed, x squared, x, and c. So, yan dapat yung series natin kasi nagsimula tayo sa 4. So, yung kasama ng x to the 4 ay 1. Kasama ng x cubed ay negative 2. Wala tayong x squared kaya ito ay 0. Ang kasama ng x ay 3 at ang ating constant ay 1. So, from here, we can have x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then, therefore, x is equal to 3. Now, what if your divisor, kagaya yung kanina natin, you can have yung sa unang example ata, you can have 2x plus 3. What if your divisor is 2x plus 3 or 2x plus 1? So, the same, ang gagawin natin dito is we have to equate to the 0. Then, ita-transpose natin tong 3 doon sa right side. So, therefore, you can have 2x is equal to negative 3. Then, divide both sides by 2 by 2. Then, your x is equal to negative 3 over 2. So, fraction. So, it is possible na fraction yung ating divisor. Then, yung answer nyo is possible din na may fraction. Ano po siya? Then, divided by, since ito yung kukunin natin, so you can have 3. Bring down 1. So, 1 times 3, you can have here 3. Tapos, add natin. Negative 2 plus 3, this will be positive 1. Then, 1 times 3 again, this will be 3. Then, 0 plus 3 ay 3. Then, 3 times 3, you can have 9. Then, 9 plus 3 plus 9, this will be 12. Then, 12 times 3, this will be 36. Then, 1 plus 36, this will be 37. Then, x to the 4, this will be x cubed, x squared, x, c, and your r, the remainder. The final answer, magkakaroon tayo dito is, ang kasama ng x cubed ay 1, so therefore x cubed na lang siya. Ang kasama ng x squared ay 1, so plus x squared pa rin siya. Ang kasama ng x ay 3, so plus 3x. Ang ating constant will be plus 12. Ito ay positive, so plus 37 over divisor natin ay x minus 3.